Peterson caused the team. Langelihle Bafetu, the face of Kaizer Chiefs. Welcome to Omni Audio Africa. You are talking no Lerato Bafetu. Abanye bang biza ikosi lady. Abanye bang biza you are crucified. We are good to Bafetu zong biza ranjan. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share to our channel, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And guys, if you want to engage nami, there are corner ama number. Nzonikhulumela wona. It's 078 877 7716. Nyawapinda futhi 078 877 7716. Guys, asingeni kuyo sichache si analyze. We are talking about I game ye Chiefs ne Mamelodi Sundowns. Nazi ukuthi Saturday bafethu ngise stadium. It was good to be in the stadium too. What a nice experience. It was very, very good bafethu. So guys, here's the thing. We had a game on Saturday. You saw Utakruzi, as an tactics wakhe Utakruzi, the strategy bafethu. Other people, my friend, were not happy with why were we playing defensively. Into so kulma namhlanje bafethu. So many fans they were worried ukuthi why Utakruzi angafuni ukuthi afake starting 11 la so khona ukuthi sathe Mamelodi Sundowns. Here's the thing bafethu. Utakruzi makafika kule game leya. I'm going to start in the first half, then explain to it kanjalo. Utakruzi makafika kule game leyana, approach yakhe, it was a good approach for me. Because he knew ukuthi pound to pound, he can't match Mamelodi Sundowns, and pound to pound, he can't even match player with Mamelodi Sundowns. So now, that's why he decided to say, approach ukuthi, let me be defensive, then ngiyazi ukuthi okay, ngizosebenza ngolangelihle phili no bad man. You knew kule game lana we didn't have number 10, lack of creativity nengekho. We didn't have a striker umuntu ozokhona ukuthi enzeni akhona ukuskorela ama goal. So many fans banalento ukuthi no Utakruzi nokumele ungabeli ukuthi asabi Mamelodi Sundowns. You know, when you have a coach of Utakruzi, you must use your mind. You have to be a thinker. Uyazi ukuthi team odlala nayo yini ama weaknesses wabo, yini ama strengths wabo. So Utakruzi put that starting 11 because nathi okay, Mamelodi Sundowns in the middle of the park. We didn't have Utebu Mkweni into kuqala. Mamelodi Sundowns at the back. Bane problem yani ama defender akhona aba shaking yana I defense aba ayikho mnandi nyana. So he decided to say okay, let me play 5-3-2. Back 5 we have Upule Modi unakadlala as a left back kushuthi uzosiza bani uKwinika uMloyisani noMigwele. Then we have Umnyane the other side. And then he did what? He suffocated Mamelodi Sundowns in the middle. Whereby Begani, Undlovu, Oxy, Nomabui. Then that's where we have Ama winger, which is Upatman, Nolangelihle. So for me, I thought the coach did well with that approach. He did well with that approach because he was using them to go to okay. So Mamelodi Sundowns ngama counter, which Ulangelihle, no Batman, Yibaba zokupuga. Then that's where they will press it defense Mamelodi Sundowns. Last week in my show, I said that's good. If Utakruzi afuna win a game, it's either maybe uzo win a game based on it defense Mamelodi Sundowns because abe komnandi ne midfield yabo because Umkwena was not there. It was very difficult to ubasi ukudlala. It was very difficult to alenda because we were suffocating Mamelodi Sundowns in the middle. Why I'm saying that? Immediately when you want to play an open play or pound to pound Mamelodi Sundowns will punish you because they are good in the middle. In midfield, you know guys, they are good. You have Allen de la Pan. If Umkwena kata kona, you have Umkwena. So the coach says, oh okay, let me sit back and okay, he need to answer. Iting fagu Mabuye, iting fagu Ndlovu, iting fage Ox. We know what creativity nengeko, but that thing works for me. Angaza amanye ama-fan because ama-fan have a different opinion. Ukuthi coach maybe nokumele ukuthi ayenzeni adlale number 10, number 10 adlale nge-strike. Now let's go back guys. We have our back 5 which is Umodi udlala as left back uyasiza ngithi bafethu ngasemove. You know why ucoach enze kanje? Coach knew ukuthi uLeon is a threat for Kaizer Chiefs. So why he did what? Mloyisani and Kwinika, Valanu Leon. Leon was nowhere to be found. You saw that. So then I'm saying good. Coach used ama tactics right. He knew very well good. Okay, mangavalu Leon, ngavali midfield Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns won't function. And guys, you must remember, Mamelodi Sundowns they are playing ama pockets. So the coach made sure good. Okay, you think Valama spaces, Valama spaces. Mamelodi Sundowns weren't able to play. You see who Matthews was not able to play. You see Umtau, okay, there was a time Umtau no fan veki, ba batolana, exciting laga like Pulomodi, but Umodi was there as a defensive. As I'm saying, sometimes guys, I'm a player, angadlala kabi. But we must give credit. I want to give credit to Pulomodi. Pulomodi help us bafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi sometimes no complain Pulomodi offensive ukuthi akasiphi into esifunayo. But in that game, ngibona Pulomodi bafethu asizile, asivalele lapha uMdawu. Makabhekana noMdawu it was something else. Then we have Umunyani the other side. Unobani unoMundiba. So it was that fight between Mundiba nobani noMunyani to say mamela awundluli la. I'm gonna close those spaces. So guys, the formation there, I know good maybe coach abe pound to pound the Sundowns. I was in the stadium. We are not gonna be a great team if no Mamelodi Sundowns pound to pound. I don't care who says what. Based on the talent that Mamelodi Sundowns have, based on the quality players that Mamelodi Sundowns have, based on the depth that they had a benching, we are not gonna qualify by Fetuguti Singadala pound to pound or in open play Mamelodi Sundowns. So for me, Da Cruz, good coach, know how to read the game, know how to strategize, know how to play for ama game cool. He studied Mamelodi Sundowns. He knew good okay. Mamelodi Sundowns who plana enyazi ukuthi dangerous corner. Avali midfielder at the back. Uliwan says good goals at the back 5. So once you did that, we as good to Mamelodi Sundowns akunanto ezokuphayo. So let's come to the game. Yeah, Chiefs. Batman for me, I think he has a decent game. It was not a great game for him because Ujuanis, even though abanye abantu bathi Ujuanis was bad, ngifuna ukuthi sibhekele lento bafethu singakhopha iscore. Ujuanis was closing Batman ukuthi Batman angayenzi anything. If you have watched that game careful, I know some of the fans Mamelodi Sundowns says Ujuanis is a bad defender nana. Ujuanis nakavale Batman. That's why Batman had a bad game that day. So umuntu obene advantage ulangelihle phile whereby will do the runs then ingayenzeni afaka ama cross but eventually because nesingana strike amabholo nawazidlulela angatholi umuntu eboxini. So those are the things engibona ukuthi uDa Cruz as implemented. Another thing ngicela ukuthi sikhulumeni ngo I know ukuthi umthethwa, some of the people will say umthethwa asi material Chiefs nani. Hence I'm saying this. Nizwe ngimi umthethwa without umthethwa Kaizer Chiefs is nothing in the midfield. I'm still repeating that. I don't care who says what. Without umthethwa Kaizer Chiefs midfield it's nothing. That person win ama-jewels umthethwa and imagine yakubona ukuthi nama passes wakhe so amnandi nyana. He can get the pass abheke ukuthi okay ama-player wakhe where ama-player wakhe angamakanga and then uzophasa umthethwa uyalivala ibonda into okudlala uyalivala ibonda so umthethwa is an important player and let's hope ukuthi le consistent nayo uDa Cruz uzomphi chance mina I think umthethwa improve since uDa Cruz akhona uimprove ungidlala last season uyenza ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns singakhona ukudlala. Another thing, iplay ngifuna ukuthi ngiliphe mina ukuthi okay ngiyavuma. I know ukuthi I was being harsh kuNdlovu in the past few games. In these 2 games he got 2 assists nezilala nesikhukhune nale game leya Saturday. This is what we want to see kuNdlovu. We want to see umuntu ozokhona ukuyenzani ukudlala ibhola, umuntu ozokhona ukudefender, umuntu ozokhona ukwenza ama progressive passes ukuya phambili, umuntu ozokhona ukudlalela team, umuntu ozokhona ukumashala in midfield. So I want to say big up to uNdlovu. Keep it up. Now I need a consistency. If we have a consistency, izopha ne competition lapha midfield to say, "Oh my boy, ngimzolisona uma boy because if uNdlovu uzolala kanje uma boy kushuthi uzohlala ebenchini then ngubani uNdlovu uzosipha lento ukuthi angakhona ukudlala ibox to box." We understand. So now my boy he must pull up his socks because low position level if uNdlovu is doing like this uzomthatha low position level. So those are the things ukuthi ngifila ukuthi uDa Cruz he did a good thing. Guys, we are not playing near any team. It was not Orbit College, it was not my case. This team was Mamelodi Sundowns. We are playing with Mamelodi Sundowns. We know the capabilities of Mamelodi Sundowns. So to be defensive in that way, it works for us. For me, it works for us because we're able ukuthi sivale lapho sivala khona. Ama player amaningi like your Obas, it was very difficult for him. Kunalana sakalahlela amabholo, he was so frustrated. Angazi ukuthi ayenzeni. It's because of what uNdlovu no Ox. You got your Allende no way to be found because of what uNdlovu no Ox. You get my point. And then the other side you got Umodi nakavale Umudawu. The other side uMunyani nakavale uMndiba. So I think it was a good thing. Another thing at the back, Mloisani, first game for him. I was very impressed ngomloyisani nakasubinela amabholo nakawusinela ama first ball even aerially was good because kunala nobona ukuthi okay imamlo Sundowns ishaya ama cross and then he will win those first ball. So izinto eBafethu esifunayo. Congratulations to Mloyisani. For me it was a decent performance. Let's hope ukuthi coach uzomfaka because ipairing yabo ngiyabona ukuthi like it's a good pairing. They paired ngendlela right. So yeah guys, yiyo into engibonile nge-first half. First half it was a tactical game both coaches no Cardoso naye ngapha even though not a Cruz. So some of them will say it was a boring game, but I don't think it was a boring game. Le game le any tactical most nama player they were playing according to instruction and yabo coach. Ukuthi okay, first half let's hope and let's not concede. Then in second half we'll see ukuthi kusuka kwenzakalani. Another thing I want us to talk about guys, as Kulmen or Peterson. And hear me out, ne? I'm not saying Peterson is a bad goalkeeper, but Spuma goal in the house. We're out of MTN 8 because of a mistake at Peterson. Manje, Saturday he did a very mistake. Peterson, why are you going out without catching the ball? You can't do that mistake as a goalkeeper. You can't. And there was a lack of communication at the back to say, if Upuma Peterson, talk to your defenders to say Puma, and then your defenders will know what to do. If our Puma Shalelaini, you also talk to your defenders to say, Miguel, now Lipoleleza win the first ball. You understand? Now if you look, we are supposed to win that game. But because of Peterson, I'm not saying Peterson is a bad player because I know you guys, we like to bash players. But if a player learns a mistake, it's going to be a problem for us. We're out of MTN 8 because of Peterson. He's doing the very same thing. On Saturday, Nesipet Imamlo Sundowns, but Peterson Watolugutiana, without communicating nama defender work. Imagine Ukwa Mailu Fishan Buffet the shortest player with PSL. Correct. Umailula, the shortest player. Then header, Ipololangan. Peterson no Pumela no Kunama defend. Tato was there, Umikol was there. Yabana le header le cross yaga not cross the header yaka. I think le header la Umikol. Nagazo head Pumanga Pande, we regroup, then that's it. So Peterson next game you must fix your problems, my brother. But if it's not like that, Snowlina. Ngoba naye uvumanya ngithi simfake ngoba uvuma vele yazivuzela nani yazi so singaphulina sibona ukuthi ulina kuzoyenzakalani ngaye but next time put us in some of the things uzenza mfethu kumele uzilungise. And then guys, I have a problem about fans and I'm the one who's going to address this thing. I know some of the fans says why coach Akipe Ulangilihle Phila. Let's go to the before Ulangilihle Phila go what happened. The player was playing, ne? And then Uta Cruz ebenchini already nasakaphakamisa uDuba no Chisled before uPhila zokora then watholakala ukuthi okay ibhola siyadlala and then ungathola ukuthi okay uPhila scored eventually uDa Cruz nakazomkhipha Ulangilihle Phila. Okay, for me I think ucoach lapho wenza mistake ukuthi nokungamela ukuthi uPhila amkhiphe he scored. Confident nekhona lapha yana he scored maybe nesizothola second goal because uPhili was a threat to Mamelodi Sundowns as like the whole game kule first half le. So into engayisho ukuthi ukuthi sometimes coach you need to read igame kancane yabona before uzofuna ukwenza ama substitute but I know ukuthi nozomsubstitute uPhili whether nakakorile nakakoranga but lapha no ucoach vele he did a mistake encane sizomxolela let's hope next game uzokhona ukufixa lawo maphutha lawo. And then we have fans who says they were supposed to faka umdu no Vilakazi. Guys, uno coach as a fan, let's stop lento ukuthi thina we must dictate the coach what to do not what to do. If a coach feels ukuthi ufuna ukhipha uPhili makamkhiphe. And guys, if you guys feel ukuthi kumele ngitshela ucoach ukuthi afaka umdu no Vilakazi because ngiyamthanda umdu no Vilakazi. It doesn't work like that at all. The Cruz know was uyayazi into kade ayenza ukuthi okay why ngikhipha uPhili even though us as fans we felt ukuthi okay nakungamela ukuthi amkhiphe because he scored maybe he was going to give us something yabo. So and into engibonile ngoDa Cruz he believes in ama player adlala as collective as a team not as individual. And into esine problem ngayo ukuthi you don't want to address umfundo no mdu to say they are playing as individual moba fakile egroundini. So maybe enye into futhi uDa Cruz ayibonile okay if nina mfuna ukudlala as individual hlala lapho kuma grandstand me I want ama players okhona ukudlala as collective abazokhona ukudlala as a team and that's what we saw on Saturday. That's what we saw. We understand. So sometimes ama-fans with Chiefs, don't get your emotions high because you love certain players to come around, whereas nalawa ama-player you're not sure ukuthi nabazosipha lento uphila asipay on. So those are the things engifuna ukuthi sizilungise, because at stadium most of the fans were complaining, no, we want Vilakazi. What if nesifaka umdu nengeka yenzile into uphila kade yenzile? What if sifaka uVilakazi nengeka yenzile into yenzile? So uDa Cruz knew what he was doing, and then we have to respect that. So mina uDa Cruz ngibona ucoach brilliant, ucoach oyaziyo, ucoach okhona ukupha ama-player i-confident to say, guys, mina ngifuna ama-player afuna ukudlala, hayi ama-player azodlalela Instagram or ama-player azodlala ukuthi kusasa kumele kukhulunywe ngani. I want ama-player ukuthi they will play for the team, not as individual. So I wanted us to fix that thing, because many fans saying uDa Cruz is not fair to Umfundo, is not fair to uVilakazi. Guys, iphana ucoach i-chance, ucoach usa-rebuilder, ucoach usazama ama-combination amasha. And but you can see even our players, mina for mina, what I saw in that day, ama-player wethu, they have improved from last season. They have improved. They know how to rotate the ball. We can do 5 touches. You can see uDa Cruz khona into ayilethayo eteamini. Let's give a coach support. Let's give a coach a chance. We know ukuthi we played 3 games. As need a miracle, guys. Let's be patient with him, and let's not put pressure. uDa Cruz ukuthi afake mapha play. So those are the things engizibonile. Other thing, guys. I think we're supposed to win that game nga-2-0. Here's the thing. There was a point where Ulangile Shepil got a ball and crosses Munyani. I-first touch muntu. Munyani we professional. There's no way ukuthi ngeke uyazi ukutrapper. There's no way ungazi i-first touch ukushaya. Lapha yena Munyani trap ibhola mfethu. Pass nangu uBatman ake kumuntu ompressile. So I think nalapho Munyani decision making izinto okumele ukuthi azilungise. You can't trap the ball then unguphu keep. It doesn't make sense to me. Trap the ball ube ukuthi boxini khona bani untona akakhona uBatman akakhona, and ukekana made uBatman ukuthi enzeni abe onside now no onside lapha. So ezinye izinto kumele ama-player azilungise. Another thing that I saw kuKaizer Chiefs ama-player ne, guys, you are not there the way nina ngicabanga ngakhona. There are some players who need to pull up their socks. There are some players who need to improve. But I think because ucoach ukhona, he will do those things gradually. He will do those things gradually. Then ngisibona ukuthi team yethu izoba kanjani. But me, I believe uDa Cruz ukuthi there's something ukuthi soba nayo. I believe ukuthi maybe khona ne cup esingalithola. I believe ukuthi maybe singaba ne competition neMamelodi Sundowns nePirates. But if our players are serious, if our players will listen to our instruction ka coach, you see, if not as ama supporters, we are not being biased to say we want ama-player la wafuna hit. So those are the things engizibonile. And then come second half. I said this last week to say nye problem ne Chiefs of not being consistent in gaming. Chiefs, you have the game. Second half, you allow Mamelodi Sundowns to attack us. Mangisho kanjalo, ubani lo Michael Cardoso bring uMailula. And then he bring Siyanda Ndlovu. Siyanda Ndlovu changed the complexion of the game. Like nengathi dala khona adlale 90 minutes yonke. Even uMailula did the very same thing. But ngibona ngathi igame yethu vele yayehla. That's why I'm saying ukuthi Chiefs inale tendency ukuthi they can't play like a good game 90 minutes yonke kusho ukuthi okay bafethu nesiphethe le team le. So izinto izinto mabeli ukuthi bazilungise. So khona hafu Mailula ngena, uNdlovu angena, i-complexion yegame ya change yonke. That's why Mamelodi Sundowns attack us. That's why Mamelodi Sundowns playing ngama pockets. And into engenzakala ngani nge-first half. So guys, if we are playing high like this, let's do it for 90 minutes. Hence I'm saying ukuthi sometimes the Chiefs inale problem ukuthi when they score bavele benzeni itempo yegame yephansi, and there is a problem because you will get amanye ama-team, they will punish you. So izinto kumele nizilungise. Second half Mamelodi Sundowns attacked us. That's where Peterson made Leo mistake leyo, but I think that mistake it was a lucky goal for me, for Mailula. If Peterson angaphumanga, I think kube iMamelodi Sundowns started 3-point, but let's ubuthi Peterson uzolungisa lawo maphutha lawo awakhe lawo awayenzile. And then for players who didn't stood up for me in that day, Upili, I can give him 50% or so. First half he didn't play, he was losing many balls, and I think because the match, if physicality was there, the match was, aggression was there because no kapana lapha isicathulo nesikhala into okudlala abo Obas abo Matthews no kapana. So I think maybe into engenza ukuthi first half anganyiphi lento le compared to second half. And another thing guys, ama officials wethu they are failing us. Official were feeling us. Ukunika was supposed to get a red card lapha. That tequila Ashayo Umetus at the back, it was a straight red card. Bennett Mkwena, that tequila Shaya Uchislet, it was a red card. So Sakala PSL Safanes is something officials with because of right now, it's not that game as Saturday. All the games that I was watching, all the officials, they are doing bad decision. Wepa we are then there's no red card, there's no yellow card. You can even see yesterday. There's no red card in front of ref. So sometimes it's going to PSL in something. Oh, you rather let VAR again. Let time VAR email 90 million. Till today we don't have a VAR. And officials were too. I think you must do better next time. You must do better because you can see better Premiership. If physicality kwana, aggression kwana, catch one and talk. I'm a player and I'm a team. I'm injuries. Injuries. So I think PSL Nesafa must fix the entire officials guys. They must be not biased, be biased and do their job. Do their job. We can't sit here all the time to complain about ref. We can't sit here all the time to complain about ref. So nalapana referee did a mistake. Kunika was supposed to get a red card. Bennett Mkwena was supposed to get a red card in that match. So yeah, they must fix those things. Yeah, I'm too. I get to be babatlang. Who comment or who botsa something?
LB21 are sis Mdu and Vilagazi we needed in that game.
I think people say we needed Mdu in that game because maybe we lack a creativity. We didn't have a number 10. Wong understand. I know who Chislet and again he was very sloppy. Then he didn't give us into a pillar fulenyon. We understand. Maybe I think maybe Ubuela based on creativity and all that stuff. But how sure we are? If Mduna can live Vilagazi, they were gonna do an impact. So it was a two chances thing, we understand. So but for the only mistake Oloring coach Yente Kunta Langlish Pili Akenya Chislet. But from Mdu Vilagazi for now, I don't think they're gonna do an impact for me. It's my opinion, but I can pick his opinion.
Are Sitle Moloisani passed the test to shut down Leon.
That's it. That's why I say first game for Mloisani Naduti Leon got frustrated. I want to lead the ball a little, but I understand why Leon didn't get the ball at the bat. Mamlo Santos didn't have a supply. Because remember Leon I told you the goal is at Premiership because Nuno Santos is there. Is the one that will give him those passes. Then Leon will play right behind the defenders. So I think Leon it was good for Takrus because so good shot from Loisan. Loso pro next game in 12 million Saturday.
And then Mr. Sompiko Facebook let's try Lina Peterson Sega Chabulega cool.
I always say this, who change a goalkeeper for now. It's my opinion. I don't know about you guys. You can tell me in the comment. It's not a good thing. Chop and changing a goalkeeper. It's not like we are changing a player. So to dismantle everything. Peterson maybe is used to some of the players. So let's give him another game. If Limoche wa flop, and then that's where we can rotate.
KVD Ari, whoever says Mtetwa is not Chiefs material is drunk, is our anchor.
Without Mtetwa, I'm still repeating this. I don't care who says what. Without Mtetwa in the middle of the park, Kaizer Chiefs are gonna be exposed. We need that guy. So if you have Mtetwa pairing with my boy, we need that thing. My boy, sharpen to your box to box. Then we have Mtetwa. What two side defensive? What two side? Who add a number? Mtetwa came to Lorraine midfield. Make a show team. Close all the spaces. That's where we saw Kasateli. So without Mtetwa, there's no Kaizer Chiefs. That's my opinion.
And then Tuto Lewis, Armoniani was selfish. We got a chance. He was supposed to pass. Instead, he took a shot.
Munyani is a professional player. I have said this. Munyani, you get the cross from Langishe Pili. Kapa Munyani shapleke first touch. Kapa Hatzebo Trapper. I don't know what was happening there. But man is here. Trapper. Ufaneka Paul. That and then Ubon keeper straight. It doesn't make sense to me. So Munyani was very, very selfish for now. I think Munyani Kyonan Totamai Luki said decision making. It was not nice for me. I can say for what Baba Mbambuni but Lena Kifle Nali selfish in that point.
Wisba are a question. Are you going to continue with 3 center backs?
I think we can. I think we can, but it depends on the team FA. Because remember, Kaka approach ya Mamelodi Sundowns, we didn't have a left back. I agree left back tsarona kaofela di robi. Yeah, ba robile kaofela, they're injured. So that's where coach ana khileng go okay, e re kinke Modi, Kimbele Mole as a left back, ato khona go ra thuse batho ka mole ka morago. But I think the next match, we are not going to play a defensive play like we play ka Mamelodi Sundowns. Ke nana go mi butla shapa back trailer la Richards Bay, re tla bona.
And then last one, Nkululeko Nkuli, are Kaizer Chiefs is going to win the league?
League it's something else. I think it's very soon to say Chiefs will win the league. But what I can say is that we played 3 games, guys. And playing that 3 games, I see an impressive performance. But the league, it's a marathon. So it's not something that you play today and then you decide who to win the league. But I have a positive thing. If we win a league, for me, it's a bonus. But top 3, guarantee. Right, all top 3, guarantee. So yeah, guys, those are the things that happened on weekend. Before I close, I want us to talk about the Mamelodi Sundowns. We saw Mamelodi Sundowns play with Golden Arrows yesterday. What a good performance from Sundowns. What a good performance from Amanyama player. Your Squish, which is Ndlovu, your Mailula, good performance. Ngathi sinenkinga enjala kuphethu iPremiership. Hayi umalulu uyengezini. So yeah, those are the players that stood up for me yesterday. Even Obas played good compared to the game that we played on Saturday in the Chiefs. Who else? They bought Utembazwani na yungenile. Even though Utembazwani kunala uNdlovu amupha khona, and then if first task yamshaya, but I think in the age say yamshaya na la Utembazwani inyawo ngathi asikho right. But yena is a good player. He came, changed the completion of the game, and no Squish no Mailula. Then Mailula got an equalizer. That's where they beat Marumo Gallants 2-0. So guys, yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns yesterday played well compared to last week. Marumo Gallants, they were supposed to get 2-0 before our first half. I always say this, when you are playing with Mamelodi Sundowns, you must bury your chances, guys. You must bury your chances. Otherwise, Mamelodi Sundowns will punish you. That's what Marumo Gallants says today. So, good. Okay, first half, Marumo Gallants had chances, but up front, they were very poor. Decision making, they were very poor. And they were supposed to score. And another thing, PSL teams, Sundowns ngama set pieces, they almost get scored yesterday ngama set piece. Even the previous games where they play EM 1080, they were scored ngama set pieces. Corner kicks, so yes, ama team kuphethu Premiership, they must take advantage of that. So for Marumo Gallants, it's a good team. Put him half in your but because Marumo Gallants lost many players, so I can see good. Okay, Putimaf is trying a new combination because he have new players. Abakona a team. It was not a bad game for Marumo Gallants, but yesterday it was based on quality. Marumo Gallants quantity, but Mamelodi Sundowns have quality players. We can't take it from them. So he into experience. He Marumo Gallants yesterday. We lose the match there. So yeah, guys, for me, Olerato, Kosi Lady, let's engage online schoolmen about what I've said. What do you think? Do you think Kaizer Chiefs can compete this season? Do you think Kaizer Chiefs can get any cup this season? Do you think Uta Cruz, there's something that is bringing our team? If it's like that, go to the comment by Fetu Schoolmen. Why are you saying so? And then we'll see when Zagalan. Yeah, for me, guys, Bang Bizu Kosi Lady, Abanye Bati, Ulerato Soccer, Abanye Bati, Angas, Mtu Umpita Man. Okay, I want. Choma Masir. Abanye bangibiza kanjani? You TikTok page. Lerato. Yo, kitata Lerato ti. Yeah, but mtutla Kenya mo. Mtla Kenya mo. Kitla Kenya mo. But it's new. It's new.
We've been telling you.
Yeah, it's new. It's new. It's new. So yeah, mtu kitla lef. Rekere Lerato TGH. Yeah, Lerato TGH. Yeah. So you will find me there, guys. So guys, next week, every Thursday, 11 o'clock, to engage with us. And guys, I want the ladies to come forward. Sianalyze i-disc lama-agency kuphela. Ladies, come forward, don't be shy. Sikhulumeni bafethu sizokhona ukuthi sitshengise amajidi ukuthi ibhola salazi. But from me, la ku-Omni Audio Africa, sicela ukuthi bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusupport. Don't forget to share, to like. Nisitshela ukuthi nicabangani. But from me, Khosi Lady, see you next week. Adios.